motorists are paying up to 41% more for their car insurance due to the knock-on effects of inflation on the industry, according to Martin Lewis. The consumer champion shared the best times for people to check for renewal quotes on his latest BBC Radio 5 Live podcast, along with a simple way young drivers may be able to significantly reduce their insurance costs. Martin explained, "When you get your insurance quotes matters. I am literally talking about how many days before your renewal is due has a direct impact, on average, for millions of quotes, and it can depend on the individual, on the price you will be quoted." He made it clear that he wasn't talking about the renewal price, because people will always get that, but about when you should start looking elsewhere to get quotes from other firms to make sure you are getting the best deal available on the insurance market. Martin explained to BBC Radio 5 Live presenter Nihal Arthanayaki that if you start at around 30 days before renewal, the price quoted on average is £900, based on Martin and the money-saving expert team comparing some 70 million firms. He said that after that, the price starts to drop very, very rapidly until about 27 days before renewal, when the price quoted dropped to around £675. He said, it then drops a little bit further and the very, very bottom out is 21 days before renewal for car insurance, where it's £590. This doesn't mean you'll get a £595 policy. What we're saying is a policy that was £900 at 30 days is on average £590, 21 days or 3 weeks before renewal. But, it's pretty flat 3 days either side of that, and then it starts to gradually rise. Once you get to 12 days before renewal, the price is now back up to around £900. If you renew on the day of your renewal, it's up to £1,200. Martin made it clear that the sweet spot for getting the best deal on renewal quotes is 21 days before the policy expires, potentially helping drivers save up to half the overall amount if they do it too soon, or leave it too late. Martin also explained that the cost of car insurance is based on actuarial risk, and for new, young drivers, they may be able to bring insurance costs down by adding a second responsible older driver to the policy. This could be a parent, or grandparent, with a good record, but it needs to be someone older who may actually drive the vehicle. He said, this averages out the risk and brings the price down. Perversely, adding a second driver can reduce the cost of your car insurance. But he warned that the second person, older, must not be the named primary driver, as that would be classed as fronting and is a criminal offence which invalidates insurance. Get the latest record money news. Join the conversation on our Money Saving Scotland Facebook group for energy and money saving tips, the latest benefits news, consumer help and advice on coping with the cost of living crisis. Sign up to our Record Money newsletter and get the top stories sent to your inbox daily from Monday to Friday, including a special cost of living edition on a Thursday. Sign up here. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, at @RecordMoney_ for regular updates throughout the day. Martin also revealed that the ideal time to renew home insurance is 23 days before the policy ends. You can listen to the Martin Lewis podcast on BBC Sounds here. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.